This is the first gift. It's from Jumia. This is the pickup station in Naivasha, and this was gifted. I'm so grateful. In case you're watching this, thank you so much for gifting me this gift, which means a lot to me, by the way. I have wanted this tripod from like last year, 2023, and it's the end of 2024. Wow, I finally have it. I'm so happy and excited to use it. Yeah, let's see what are some of the accessories it came with.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have.
Hey y'all, so today I'm unboxing some stuff from Kilimall and Jumia. I already unboxed the one from Jumia and also from Kilimall, so I just wanted to give my overall overview of the things I ordered. So the one from Kilimall, like, online shopping can be something else and crazy sometimes and disappointing, like what you ordered versus what you got. I ordered this palette, Pop Fill eyeshadow palette. This is the size, okay? but from, let me show you like one of them. They are 3 of them, like this, this and another one. Let me show you guys. This one is like more of a neutral one. So my problem is like the pictures showed a very huge palette. Like this one looked so big in size. It looked like it was going to come this size. Okay, but now look at the size. I didn't expect this tiny. It's tiny. It's a tiny size. I expected it to be this size, because that's what on the picture it looked like it was that size. But I'm excited for this palette, but I was more excited before than now, because the size have already disappointed me. But anywho, I'm not going to return the palette because I wanted it so bad. And then guys, I'm excited about these bright colors, like the yellow, orange, pink, green. Yeah. And then guys, I ordered these brushes. These are like more of eye makeup brushes, and the brush that I'm more excited about is this spoolie. I'm not a gold person guys, I'm more of a silver person, but this was my only option, and they are cute. They were going for 300 Kenyan shillings, 20 pieces on kilimall at this. Yo, so with this palette, you guys expect more colorful makeup tutorials. Yeah, I'm super excited for these ones. The only disappointing thing is the size of the palette. So yeah, you guys, I told you about the nail glue. It's so high quality. This nail glue, it's a bomb. I tried removing these nails yesterday so that I can undo this hairstyle and then do another hairstyle. I don't like doing my hairstyles with nails because I feel like I will pinch my scalp so much. So they refuse to come out because this glue 100%. So I'm thinking what I'll do is just go get myself some acetone and remove the nails, because that's the only solution. I tried keeping my hands in the warm soapy water and they refused. So this glue, yo, it's the nail glue we are using over here. Okay guys, okay, if you're doing your nails at home, this glue is the best for you. And guys, the tripod that I got from Jumia, I love it. No disappointment, no anything. The shipping fee is more lower. Okay, there is something about Kilimall and Jumia. Kilimall has low prices and Jumia has low shipping fee. So that's my observation. Anywho guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Maybe we will be doing this hair or makeup. Did I tell you how much the eyeshadow was? It was 700 Kenyan shillings.